In the following video, I will give a quick introduction to ActiveScreener and provide you with an overview of its main features. In subsequent videos, we will cover various aspects of the software in greater depth. Swift ActiveScreener is a web-based collaborative systematic review software application. It is intended to be used during the document screening phase of systematic review and scoping activities. To access ActiveScreener, you just need to point your web browser to swift.sciom.com/ActiveScreener. And when you have done so, it should bring you to the login page. And at this point, you can simply type in your username and password and click Login. And so now we are looking at the Swift ActiveScreener user interface. And so you can see I am working on a project that I have previously set up for a systematic review of the health effects of fluoride. And at the top here we have the ActiveScreener menu, which allows you to navigate through the various screens and access the various features of ActiveScreener. So we'll go into all the details in subsequent videos, but what you can see here is that ActiveScreener is presenting me with a list of articles that I would like me to screen next. ActiveScreener is designed to reduce the overall screening burden for systematic review. So in this case, the fluoride systematic review has something on the order of around 20,000 total titles and abstracts that we would need to screen through. So what ActiveScreener does is it observes my screening responses as the review proceeds and then analyzes the titles and abstracts of those citations and associates inclusion and exclusion decisions that I make while screening with the patterns of words and phrases found in those articles. And in doing so, as the review proceeds, ActiveScreener is able to present me with the articles that are most likely to be included next according to its statistical model. And so, as you can see, we approach this project in a highly collaborative, multi-user fashion with many users screening at the same time. But this graph here summarizes how the machine learning worked for this project. Along the x-axis you can see the total number of documents screened, and the y-axis shows the percentage of included documents that were found at any given point. The green line indicates the threshold of 95% included articles. And so what the graph is showing you is that ActiveScreener was able to obtain around 95% recall after screening only around 15% of the total articles. In this case, for this project, the screeners wanted to go beyond that, and they had set their goal at 98 to 99% recall, which they achieved. And so they screened a bit more, and you can see that they got into a bit of a long tail, but they were still able to achieve 99% recall after screening only around 40% of the total articles. So this is the most important feature of ActiveScreener. It allows you to accomplish your review in a much more efficient manner by getting you to the vast majority of relevant articles after screening only a fraction of the total articles. But beyond that, it is also a very easy to use, full-featured, collaborative, multi-user screening application. So in subsequent videos, we will cover in more detail various aspects of using the program, including how to set up a brand new review, how to screen articles, how to resolve conflicts between multiple screeners, and how to summarize the progress so far.